Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Thanks for tuning in today. And today I'm sharing with you guys my new makeup vanity setup that I have made in our apartment. So I am in our second bedroom, spare bedroom. This is a work in progress kind of room. There's definitely a lot of things in here that wouldn't fit in the other rooms. So it's just a lot of organizational things going on in this room. But I really had to get a new makeup vanity because the one that I used to have when we lived in our house, I actually did not bring the desk with me because it was falling apart. It was a IKEA, like Alex Drawers and IKEA something dupe. I can't remember. And I got it off of Amazon and it worked good for a while, but it just wasn't the same quality as the IKEA furniture. And I just ended up, just using it. And when we moved, I just left it behind or got rid of it. And I just, did not have anything for a while. I was actually doing my makeup on a fold-out table, which is really exciting. But look what I got, guys! Finally have something. So I thought I would share with you guys how my makeup vanity looks. And I think this is a very budget-friendly kind of makeup vanity to set up. It's small, so if you have a small room, it's gonna fit in a small room. It's still gonna give you plenty of room, but it's gonna give you a lot of storage space, and it's pretty affordable, I think. So let me go ahead and turn you guys around and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is my finished makeup vanity area. This is still a work in progress because, as I was telling you guys, and you'll see when I actually go to show you in there, a lot of these things right here, they were things that kind of fit in a certain place in my old beauty room, and right now I don't really have a place to put them. These are all makeup bags, and then I've got my hair dryer and my straightening iron that I use, and then that was a spare trash can that I used to have. So I'm kind of unsure where I want to put those things still, but let me just go ahead and show you. So this desk is the Mickey desk. I believe it's pronounced Mickey. It's M-I-C-K-E desk at IKEA, and this is the Mickey drawers. So together, I think the desk, I believe, is I'm not totally sure, but I know on the receipt, one was $54.99 and one was $59.99. I'm not sure which was which because I'd have to look at the receipt. But total, I'm going to guesstimate that total, I probably spent, I'm going to say at least $130 for this makeup vanity setup, which I think is a deal because if you have looked up makeup vanities online, even some of the ones on Wayfair, Overstock, Amazon, a lot of them are into the 200s, even $300 ranges. And if you're looking at antique makeup vanities, some are even more expensive than that. So this is a very affordable, very budget friendly kind of makeup vanity. So the Mickey desk has a solid wood piece on that side for the leg, and on this side it's kind of a more see-through frame kind of thing going on. And then it's a black brown color. I chose to get the black brown color. I think it also came in white, and also I think it came in black, but I decided to go with the black brown, and I really am happy with my choice. This desk does have a pull-out drawer here, which doesn't have anything in it right now. It's actually a very good size. It's much bigger than the one I used to have. It actually could fit a lot of things in here. I'm not sure what I really want to put in here just yet, but I'm going to definitely think about it and see if I can organize something really nice in this drawer. But this is just one of the things that I've learned is these little track systems are so much more quality made on the IKEA furniture than the dupes that I bought. They just work so much better. So this desk is really nice. I have my old chair, my old see-through chair, and I think I'm actually going to end up switching to a rolling chair. I just think it's easier. On my vanity, I have this little thing I got off of Amazon. I think it was by like iDesign or something. And it's a really nice little stackable kind of makeup organizer. So I have a lot of my eyeliners in here. I have lip liners here. I have powders in there. And then this is like lashes in there. And then I've got some of the things I use the most here on top. I got my rose water spray. I have this mirror. I used to have a big mirror behind my vanity, which I kind of miss, but I really kind of just look more in this mirror when I'm getting ready. So I just end up having just this small mirror right now. And then I have my ring light with my little phone holder thing for when I'm filming. And this ring light is really nice. I got it off of Amazon as well. It's adjustable. And when you turn it on, it's really nice. You can change the lighting, like if you want it brighter or dimmer. Then I just have my brushes there. And I really like that this desk, because it was made for, I think, a computer, it has this little cutout hole. So this is very nice because I could just easily kind of loop this little, you know, cord for my ring light right there, which kind of keeps it out of the way and hidden. Looks really good, so I am really happy with that. And then this is the Mickey drawer. So I just assembled this one this morning, and I'm really happy with it. It's very similar to the Alex drawer, except that the Alex drawer is wider. It's the same height, I believe, but it is wider, and this one is more narrow. The reason why is because this bottom drawer, when it extends out, which it extends out pretty far, is actually made to hold files. So it actually comes with a thing you can use for files. But I have all my eyeshadow palettes down here, and I've still got plenty of space to put more eyeshadow palettes, which you know I'm gonna do. But yeah, I just use my little clear organizers there to kind of just stack them. Very, very nice. So much more better organized. And because this drawer is more deep, I can actually fit these big, tall, chunky eyeshadow palettes in there, which I really like. So love that. And again, this track sliding system is so nice. It also has a wheel that helps it to roll, which I really like. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 jars. The smaller jars look like this. They are less wide than the Alex jar, but they are more, I think lengthwise they might be longer. I don't really mind the smaller size because, like I was saying, I don't have a lot of room in here, so this works well for me. I am thinking about getting some different organizational trays to fit in here that would better help me organize. But these are just like my smaller eyeshadows and my liquid eyeshadows in here. Looks really good. So got that. And these are kind of self-closing. Like you can push them and they will close. So that's really nice. This jar is a mess because these are all my lip colors, and I need to purchase a like lipstick organizer kind of thing. So I'm gonna have to buy that and then better organize this jar. For now, I've thrown in some like extra things. I think a lot of these things could probably fit in this little jar here, but these lipsticks, I just got to find a way to like organize them better. So I'm going to be doing that, but again, really nice. And then this is my top jar. I've got all of my like sunscreen, primers, eyeshadow primers, and face primers there. This bronzer would not fit in this little clear organizer, so I set it back there. And then these are all of my blushes and highlighters towards the back. And then this is my one of my few bronzers. I don't have a lot of bronzers because I don't use them a lot. And then on top, I have some photos there. And then my little skincare fridge, which is actually airing out because I wasn't using it for a while. I haven't used it for quite a while. And it had gotten very nasty inside. And I cleaned it out today, but it has this funky, like sour smell in there. And I'm trying to get it out. If it doesn't come out, unfortunately, I'll probably have to get rid of this because I just can't use it with that smell in there. It literally smells like a sour ugh, like a sour, I don't know, like sour, nasty, rotten something smell. And I'm not sure what it really is or where it came from. I guess just from being closed up. But I've been kind of leaving it open and letting it air out, and hopefully that smell comes out. If not, I will have to probably get rid of it or donate it. But yeah, so that is my new setup. I got the view of the lake right there, and then some more view of the lake and the pool. But yeah, what do you guys think? I really like it. I'm super excited. I think it looks great. I like the color. I just love the desk. I think it's great. I was going to try to get the Alex drawers, and unfortunately, due to a lot of shipping delays, they didn't even have any in this color, and so I just decided I'm gonna get this Mickey drawer, and I got the desk, and I am really happy that I did because it fits really well right there in that little space. It leaves me a whole lot more space in this room to continue decorating and doing what it is I need to do. But let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys think it looks good. And if you're looking for a good budget-friendly vanity, definitely look into the Mickey desk and the Mickey drawer. Even though it's a file, you can very easily use that bottom jar for your large eyeshadow palettes. And it's cheaper. Total, I mean, $130. The Alex desk and drawers, it's ridiculous. The drawers alone are $100 for the Alex drawers. So this is much cheaper, and you're literally getting the same thing, and it's just a little bit smaller. But if you're working with a small space, it works perfectly. So anyway, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys.